Sometimes when you're looking for a plugin, you can't find it using the WordPress search facility in the plugins here. So if I go to plugins and click on add new and put in the term there, sometimes it just doesn't find what does exist out there. So you have to use Google and do a search on Google and then use a slightly different way of installing the plugin. So let's do that. If we go to Google, and you can see I've already put in the search term WordPress plugin breadcrumbs. Do put in the terms WordPress and plugin and then whatever it is you require, because that'll be a more specific search result. Click on search and you'll see the results come up. And here, if you've seen the simple version of installing a plugin, you'll see that this is the same plugin that I installed the easy way. So we click on this and it takes us to this page. I'll just move the screen over so you can see. Plugin directory, breadcrumb navxt. The authors have ridiculous incomprehensible names, and over on the right hand side we have download. So we've found the one that we like the look of. You may want to take longer over the search than I'm doing, but this is just to show you how easy it is to actually install a plugin the alternative way. I've clicked on the download orange button there, and this pop-up box has come up. I'm now going to save this file. I don't open the zip file. You note it's a zip file. I do not open that. I click on OK to save the file, and it then saves the file, and I then go to the location on my own computer at which I know this file happens to be stored, which is around about here. And there it is. I've actually got two versions of it here because I've saved it twice. So that is it. That's where I've put it. So I know where it is. Now, back in the world of the internet, we go back to our WordPress at the back end of our website. You can see it's my website, and we go to plugins, and you see the little facility here on add new. You've got upload just here. So we click on upload, and then this box comes up, and we browse to find the folder that we have just downloaded, and here it is. We have not opened the zip file in our own computer. We've left it as a closed zipped file. And ZIP means it is a zipped file, which means it's slightly smaller, it's more compressed. So there are other files and folders within this particular folder. So we leave it as a zip file, and what we do is we click on open, and you'll see if you look at the address that is written here, then it's, just scroll across it so you can see it, it's in the correct place. So it's got that file there. We click on install now, and then eventually it will tell you it's done it. That was fairly quick. It's done it fairly quickly this time. So you can either activate it straight away here or go to the installed plugins page. I'm going to go to the installed plugins page, have a look and see if it will show up. And happily it has indeed shown up. So we can see that that is the other way. There it is. That is the other way of installing a plugin that might be slightly harder to find, that maybe WordPress won't allow you to find through WordPress itself, and you have to do a search on Google. It's pretty straightforward, as you can see.